Hi guys, good morning. Today is the outing.
Good morning!
Yay! Vlog. Good morning guys. Oh my god, nagsha-shake yung hand ko.
English?
Are you ready for the outing?
Ready! Yes! Roof!
Are you ready? Iman is hiding. The bus is on the way. Get round and round. They are all ready, folks. Hi, Abdullah.
That's how we sit.
We'll go there, sir.
Yeah, better we'll go there.
Let's go! Ang dami naming baon, guys. Look, those are the snacks for our... And meron pa doon. There you go. Ayan. Puro marites tayo niyan.
Dapat doon ka sa labas. Gusto ko sabihin na. Yung palabas kami. Hindi naman yung problema.
Okay, guys. We're on the bus. Hi, Khaled. Hi, Jessica. Ate, are you enjoying your food?
Yes.
Yes, because we didn't eat breakfast. Dito pa lang kami sa stoplight.
With my Walkmans.
What are you saying?
Come with me as I jam out with my Walkmans.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
And this girl. And this Too much chalan. Extra chalan. Khalid, what can you say about today?
Enjoy.
Hi.
Bye.
What do you feel about today? Are you excited?
Yeah, good day. Because you are with us.
Abdullah, are you enjoying your seat?
Yes, because I have my own personal table here. I have my own bed, I have my own window, and my refrigerator.
Uh-oh. Yeah. This is the richest. And this is Raj. How do you feel about today, Raj? How about
Hello,
Sajid?
hi.
Why you're so...
Amazing day.
Why you're in the last seat?
A lot of fun with Yula. Hi.
Hey. Okay guys, I'm gonna go because...
Eventually.
Twerk it like mine.
Standard so Coming.
What do you... Ventilation daw. Bakit yan? Kuya Ahmad!
Maging home center.
يلا يا سكشن هنا مسوق.
One minute later.
Saan? I'll take a video. Ayun, wala na. Hindi ko na video.
One
Hey guys, we're here. Update. Ate. Update. God. Wakey. We're now in gate of the Dubai Parks. What was that? Ay naku, brother. So we're here. Oh, Jeka, oh. Alam mo, biyahe namin from 8:30 to... Anong oras na tayo? 11? Ha? 11:45. Oh my God! Super bagal ng bus. Kasi 80 lang yung takbo niya. Tapos more than... Mas malayo pa to sa Jebel Ali. Mas malayo pa to sa Jebel Ali. Dulo-dulo na to. So,
Few inches later.
we are here now, guys. Look! Ooh! So hot!
Yula, palagay naman dyan.
What? Ano ang palagay mo?
Yung kasi ulit na. Ganito mo na ihina ako. Lalaba mo.
Guys, we're here and look, we are in the entrance. Wow! Ayun ako! Guys, so since we are here now, look at the guys, they are here. Mga managers. So, nandito na kami. Look at Jessica. Ay! Huwag Yung prutas, wala na. Tubig lang ka. Oh, kan.
Rakwan.
Rakwan.
عدل بليك
Kita.
يا مان rakwan. As a ticket, don't lose it. Take it. Take it. Grace.
So guys, ayan ang motion gate. Ate, yung payo mo!
Picture tayo dito. Sa kapilan tayo.
Wait ah. You need to consume your food. You
Di
cannot
ba
bring
tama
it
talaga
inside.
yung...
Guys, nandito po kami sa gitna ng harapan ng motion gate. Because it's too hot. Okay, we're going. Guys, ito na. So, where?
The bus.
Well. Push.
Till 7.
Hi. We're here. We're here, sir. Hi. Con. Rita. They're busy. Busy with the phone.
Yes, please.
At last, guys, we already passed the gate. And
This is vlogger.
Yeah.
we bring already all the food inside.
We will be light for your friend today.
Yes.
Yeah, we will die.
We should, sir.
Force them, yes.
Mami, say hi to your
And
fans.
Ate Kla. Okay. Naihi na po kami. Pero tagal ng mga kasama namin.
Relax, Clarissa, come. Relax.
At syempre, toilet break kami. Well, galing para sa kay Mayar, guys. Look at that, ladies. Ooh. Here we go. Start walking, guys. Riverland. Neon Galaxy. T-Rex Adventure, guys. Oh. Matma, Jacob, T-Rex. Ito pala yung look. Ano yung motion gate. Okay, so here we come, motion gate. Guys, andito na kami sa motion gate. Look. Wow. Ito naman parang harang. Guys, andito na kami sa motion gate. Hi guys.
Kumalikod ka muna.
Motion gate na tayo. Yes.
Dito.
Andito po kaya yung mga vloggers. They're doing their own vlogs too. Vlogs din ako eh. Hey guys, we're here. We're here guys. Tap again. Guys, too much hot na. Where? I don't...
Which you don't like.
Kongo? Guys, kung gusto niyo magpahangin, pumunta lang kayo dito.
Yung mga pinagsasabi. Ano mo yan?
Hey guys, ito na kami ngayon.
Wala, hindi ko ano.
Guys, sobrang ganda. Sobrang hot din. Ayan oh, yan yung DreamWorks. Guys, look. DreamWorks. fairy tale. Look, it's Shrek. And look at that. Guys, it's so cool. Wow.
Wala, pasok na tayo dito. Unavailable.
Madagascar, here we come. Guys, ito na yung Madagascar. Guys, pagra-rides na kami ng carousel. Look, carousel is giving. Wow, may pag-giving pa. Guys, andito na po kami sa very easy level. Soon, dun kami sa may difficult, very difficult. Sasakay po kami dyan, guys. Oh, look. Oh. Teka lang. Yula, Benz. Andito. Ito. Ate, dito. Tingin. Teka.
What a Grace, what a Grace.
Guys, saan kaya kami mag-rides dito? Pwede naman balik kayo mga.
Dito na tayo.
Dito naman kami ngayon, guys. Sa Mad Pursuit. Tingnan natin. Guys, ayun na, nakasakay na kami ng Madagascar.
Nung gumano siya bigla, nagulat ako.
Pasok kami sa Shrek's house. Wait time 5 minutes. Oh my God! It looks scary. Push. At dito po kami sa Shrek. Sasakay na kami.
Guys, no picture, no video.
Oh, sorry. No, bawal na daw ang video.
Ayoko na dyan dito kasi sa prank ko yung kanila.
Alright, nobody! Turn your hand up, not afraid. Just do it.
Agon.
Hindi ka man nahilolo sa ano? Hindi ka man nahilolo sa kanakyan natin sa Madagascar eh.
Ayun na, yung ano, parang bangka. Eto, ano mga to? Saan yung pasukan? Wangan. Uy, albi po.
Pwede bumaba doon mag-picture.
Dito pala tinitrain ni ano yung dragon niya. Oh. Nakalimutan ang pangalan ng character dito. Ikaw. Nakakatakot to? May heights na, may ano pa. May ano pa to?
Malay ko baka hindi ko maalam mapabilis eh. Makikita mo. Kaya naman nakakasama.
Yung Madagascar, wala tayong idea.
Kaya na-prank talaga ako doon. Actually, may idea kami.
Ako may idea din ako.
May idea ko. May idea din yan. Kaya hindi ko mapapasakay yung napaka. Ayan. Bakit siya sumakay sa ano? Ganyan. Yan, okay na yan.
Ayun, okay na yung kaso masakit daw sa chat.
Ikaw ka kasi. Ikaw din, sumigaw ka yung ginagawa mo kasi. Ayoko kasi.
Bibili ko rin yun.
Ha? Exit ata to. Ayun. Ano ba?
Q-fast din eh.
Just queue first, queue first.
Q-fast?
Video pala sila na. Tuloy na.
Narinig mo ba yung si Ate Grace? Utot daw muna siya.
We have seated the middle, so no much, no problem. Far away.
Ang dilim! Ano sila ate?
Riders, the race is about to start now for 160 as you know.
Hindi kita sila ate Grace. Madilim ate. Hi! Gusto picture kayo? Ha 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 ha. Nag-order na po kami. Galing po kami sa basahan. Ayun. Nabasa kami guys. Doon sa ride na yun. Luiset. Ayan o. Ayan o. Basa siya. Sakit din yung shoes ko. Basa. Ay, pinalitan yung ano natin. Hi! Nandito po kami ngayon sa Smurf Studios Tour. Smurf Village. Oops, may duman. Oops, may duman. Ayan. What is the ride inside? Huh? For kids? Ah, okay.
This is okay.
Not like same morning first one.
The Madagascar.
Little below this one.
Ah.
Pero kasi ito.
We are three! Woohoo!
Everybody has a different job to
Kasi meron dito. Magpe-perform si Smurf.
Hindi kami ng Smurfs.
Talaga. Nilalabas doon ka sa likodan.
na po kami sa Lions Gate. Oh guys, naka-recover na po kami sa basa namin. Ay!
Ano sa Hunger Games?
Star Wars, you watch it 3D.
Let's do it. Maganda siguro dito pag gabi, no? Ay nako. Hi nako guys, nandito na kami ngayon sa ano nga to, 3D?
Hunger Games.
Hunger Games. Sumasagat? Okay na.
Tabi kayo, tabi kami. Kasi kung tabi tayong dalawa.
Yan yung na ano namin guys. Oh. Apat kami. Lakas namin. Hindi namin. Saan pa kayo? Ito na. Sa harap ng ice cream char. Baby Brandt's Luncheonette. Pasok po kami sa Hollywood.
Don't forget to send me the photo ha, because my battery is
Naku, pili ko magkakasakit talaga ako.
Wait! Photo ha!
Ay, Captain! Andito po kami sa Hotel Transylvania. Kasama ko si ate. Naiwan yung mga kasama namin. Ang paligid. Nakakatakot din to, te. Huh? Oo. Nakakatakot naman. Hi, Silo! Oh, pumunta kami dyan sa Ghostbuster. Pumatay lang naman kami ng mga ghost, monster. Wala na guys. So, before ako malobat, eto na, pauwi na kami. Oh, yan ang motion gate. And magsa-7 na. Ayan. Ganda ng mga buildings. Para kung nasa ibang bansa. Talaga, yung bahay ni New York. Eid Mubarak. Goodbye, Motion Gate. Bye.
Ito ata yung hotel eh. Ayun, Riverland yun.
Ay. We're going home.